I don't know how much value I have in this universe, but I do know that I made a few people happier than they would have been without me. And as long as I know that, I'm as rich as I ever need to be.
Hey guys, well, today's project is this Spider-Man. As you see, the peg broke. We gotta remove it. As always, we gotta use our hot water to get this sucker out and make everything far more workable. Now that we got this peg out, we gotta come up with a solution, and I think I have one. Now, through the magic of my edits, we'll take this awesome thing, and voila! A brand new peg I designed and 3D printed myself using TPU. And now that we have this sucker in, he's ready to go back to my son, and hopefully he enjoys him some more. A little bit more work is needed, but overall, I think it turned out fantastic. Alright guys, until next time, as always, stay awesome.